What is up, guys? Today I wanted to address another common problem with the S2000, and that is this little 12-volt power outlet here. When I first got the car, this thing was just completely loose. It was out. It was dangling around like a... And I got it back in once. I screwed it back in, and unfortunately, because I keep using it, it's loose again. No, that's not supposed to happen. It's not, yeah. So that needs some fixing. I'm gonna show you how to do that. The first thing you're gonna need to do is put your soft top down. Then move your driver's seat all the way up. Well, that was a lot harder than it should have been. Now, here's what you need. Phillips head screwdriver and some Loctite thread locker. So in the back of your driver's seat, there are these two hooks, and underneath the two hooks are plastic doors. And get them opened up, and you want to undo those. And then you could try to pry this panel off. It's gonna take some force and it's gonna be a little scary. That off, there's a little screw up here. Gotta undo that one. And then here's the deal. Once you got the screw off, you could give it a good tug, it'll pop out, and you should be able to reach your hand in there and be able to screw it back in. But here's the catch. If you're like me and your hands are just a bit too fat, here's the more difficult way. Do everything you did on that side to this side. Voila! Open up the glove box, remove that screw right there. Come down to the center armrest, give this a little yank. Come up like that. Inside, underneath the armrest, at the very bottom, there's two screws, one there, one there. Get rid of those. Lastly, 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, on top of the secret compartment. Finally, we have enough clearance to get into that thing without destroying anything. Here's what most people's look like when they go bad. They just dangle out. Inside, when you reach in, I can't show you because it's not very visible, but it feels just like a metal cylinder. And you're gonna bring it up and tighten it onto those threads in there. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some Loctite on that so it doesn't fall off again. And there you go. And to get everything back, it's just the reverse of everything. So, let the Loctite set for about 24 hours and it should be good. And that's how you fix the power thing. Like always, this isn't supposed to be a purely instructive video. It's just meant to help people out in case they have the same problem. But what I'm saying is any damage you do to your car, especially with this one with all the pulling and yanking and I'm not responsible for it. And I don't claim to be an expert on this car. I just really like it. If you guys see I'm doing something wrong, please leave it in the comments. Let me know, let other people know. Be safe, keep track of your screws. If you like this video, please share it with someone you think it might help. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you don't do any of that. Thanks for watching and bye.